What's up guys, and welcome back to One Life Cars. Join me today inside the Ford Focus Mark II for a quick tutorial on how to remove and replace your interior light, housing and bulb. Dead simple video, something you can all do yourself at home rather than pay Alfred or someone to fit it. So if your bulb's out and you're not sure how, go and get yourself the right bulb. If you want to know that, let me know in the comments below, or I'll put it in the description or something, the exact bulb size and type. And then follow these simple instructions and do it yourself. Dead easy video. You only really need one tool, and that is a flat screwdriver, like so, sort of a medium-sized flat screwdriver. And you can do it from your driver's seat or the passenger seat, whatever suits you guys. So, sorry about the bad lighting. When we flick to the next bit of the video, it'll be a lot better than this because the sun's sort of coming in from the front. As I thought we'd take a trip out for today's video, out on the lanes. Nice day for it. So guys, if you're new around here, my name's Sam Clark and this is One Life Cars, where I teach you guys how to fix your own cars. So you can request a tutorial on your own car and I'll try and get it done. If it's on a car that you've already seen on the channel, I'll be able to do it quite soonish. So if you're new around here and you like this sort of thing, or you think you could find it useful for yourself in the future, doing jobs on your own car at home, hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and if you've got a request of your own, let me know in the comments on any of the videos, or even private message me on Instagram. There's links to my Instagram on the home page and in every description of each video. So guys, let's crack on with the video and show you guys how to remove and replace the interior light on the Ford Focus Mark II. Let's go. Alright guys, dead simple video, and like I said earlier, only really requires one tool, and that is this flat screwdriver. So if you feel the flat screwdriver along the back edge of the sort of light lens, sorry about this crap light and it won't focus, there's a bit of a recess in the back and you'll feel it click in. So if you sort of push the screwdriver back towards yourself into that recess, it'll find the little clip that's there and you'll find the whole thing will pop down like so. Now either the lens will come off first like that, or you'll get the whole housing down, which is what you want. But sometimes the lens itself just clicks off, revealing the bulb. Now what I would recommend is you still get the housing down. And about the crap lighting. So if the lens comes off first, stick the screwdriver back in and you'll see, if you look in it, it's a little silver clip right in the middle there. If you can see it on the camera. Find that clip and then you can unclip it like so, he says, and the whole thing will come down. It's a lot easier with two hands, it's not as hard as I'm making it look. There you go. And this will come down loose and it's sat on two wires. Now you can get these off with your fingers like so. So you might need two hands, but they do just clip up. Sorry about the rubbish lighting, bad place to do the video really. Yeah, so without dropping it like that, you clip them off. So see, show you properly now. So when you open the back up, you'll see prong there with a single one and a double one on that side. Just so you get your finger from the bottom and push them up and off. If you didn't see it on that other bit, it was a bit dark. Now most of the time, if it goes the right way, this will still be on the actual lens, and you've got these little prongs that clip round these bits here. Quite delicate, so just be gentle with them and prise them off carefully, because they do snap dead easy and it's a bit crap to break that for the sake of changing a bulb. Also, give the inside of this a little bit of a clean, it'll make your light seem a lot brighter. These get full of flies and crap. Excuse me. Now for the bulb itself, you just get one finger in the back bit and pop it out towards you like that. And at this point you can get your new bulb out of the packet. If you need to know, like I say, the type and the size of the bulb, let me know and I'll put it in the description or something, or give me a private comment. Well, a comment. This bulb's alright, I should have shown you first, but it does already work. So I'm just going to pop this back in. This is just for the sake of showing you guys how to change it. And you see these little holes there. Just going to line up one end in the hole and then slot it in to the other end, and then clip it down like so, and that's your new bulb in. And now you can put your fresh lens back on, clean it up. Like I say, it will make the light seem brighter. Make sure all the prongs line up, and that's all clipped back in, good to go. And now it's just a case of lining up your wires with your two prongs I've just shown you, again very dark. So I'll just put the camera down, put them back in, and then we'll end the video there, guys. Right guys, sorry about some of the bad film quality in that video. Could have been better, but it's the sun over there. That was my bad choice of filming position. But I'm sure you've still got the idea of how to change the interior bulb yourself. So that's the new, well, what would be the new bulb in. As you can see, it's all on and working. And if you do get one, spend a bit more money on the better bulbs. They're a bit brighter and whiter, not dead yellow like a lot of them are. Well, that's about it for today's video. How to remove and replace the interior light bulb on the Ford Focus Mark II. Covers all variants, doesn't really matter what engine it is, they all have an interior light. So guys, I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, hit that subscribe button, join the One Life crew, and request your own video if you need to do something yourself. But until next time, my name's Sam Clark, you're watching One Life Cars, peace.